and welcome to yet another installment of our Internet History, Technology, Security, and Python for Everybody office hours. We're here in The Hague in the Netherlands, and I'd like you to meet some of your fellow students. So here we go. So say your name, say hi, and if you have any message or whatever.
I'm Wasim, and I'm interested in Python and a big fan of Dr. Charles.
Okay. Hey.
Hi, my name is Weil. I just started learning Python. I'm so excited to learn more and more about Python.
Okay.
Hi, I'm Baadlein and I'm also excited about Python. And thanks,
Okay.
Mr. Severance.
My name is Ruud. Dr. Chuck is the best.
No, you're the best.
Hello, I'm Eva and I'm happy to meet Dr. Chuck.
Hi, I'm Chrisus and I'm super happy to be here with Dr. Chuck.
Hi, I'm Jane, and Dr. Chuck helped me breeze through Python, so it's awesome.
Good.
Hi, I'm Martin, and I'm learning Python from Dr. Chuck, and I love it too.
Hello, my name is Victor. I'm very excited to be here with Professor Chuck, and I really want to thank him and Coursera because thanks to them, now I'm programming, and I really like that programming stuff.
Okay.
Thank you.
I'm Catalina, and I really love this course.
So let's give a quick round of applause for Catalina for setting this up and arranging this. Yay. So thank you.
No, thank
This
you.
is the first time that someone on Twitter has ever tweeted me back and said, I'll set that up for you.
Yeah.
So appreciate
Happy
that.
to do it.
Hello, I'm Giorgio. I follow some of the courses of Dr. Chuck, and you should do the same.
Hi, I'm Tim. I took some of the course of Dr. Chuck, and finally I got the opportunity to meet him.
Hi, I'm Stefan and I'm following the Python course from Dr. Chuck and I'm loving to meet him. It's very nice. Thank you.
Oh, my name is Rob. I'm following the Python course and it's good to see Dr. Chuck again.
You have an interesting story about how Coursera affected your employment.
Yes, I took a lot of courses on Coursera and edX and now finally I got a job.
Congratulations. They'll be happy to hear that.
Hello, my name is Arif, and thank you for making this happen. That I see other people's have the same interest, basically. Appreciate it. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Hi, I'm Irina and this course gave me a lot of self-confidence, so thank you.
You're very welcome. So, again, a very large, oops, there I covered my own thing. A very large group of folks. It's been kind of chilly here. It's the first day of spring here in Holland. I even saw some tulips coming up, but we're all wearing gloves because we were too big to fit inside. And then we sat here for a whole hour until we realized that there were heaters and we didn't turn the heaters on. So we're working on how to turn the heaters on. So the next place I think that I might see you is Estonia. This is the next Coursera office hours will be in Estonia. So we'll see you there. Cheers.